Hey, it's Patty Ryan Lee, the witch and web developer behind the Fiery Well, the only tech and business support space just for service-based witches. Today we're going to talk about doing a link tree on our own website. It's come up in the membership. Do we use Linktree? Should we use Linktree? What do we do with that one link we get in Instagram? You have a WordPress website, so let's utilize it. Let's send folks from Instagram right to your website with nothing in between. Let's get to it. We're going to create a page. I'm going to call it Link in Bio, just something basic and straightforward. And I want people to see my latest blog posts. I put up an image on my feed and I say, hey, check out the blog post Link in Bio. They go to this link in bio and they're going to see the most recent blog posts. Very quickly done with the latest post block from WordPress. Boom, done. It's going to pull in the 5 most recent blog posts from my blog. And you can control this based on the theme that you have in different ways. This looks very Linktree-like, so we'll keep this. What else can we put in this link in bio? People are going to take probably one action on this page, so you have to decide what you want that action to be. First and foremost, I want them to go to the blog post. Second, I'm going to have them sign up for my newsletter. I use ConvertKit, and I am just going to grab the HTML here to embed an inline sign-up form. There we go. Sign up for my newsletter. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Done. This is a very quick, very simple way of creating a link in bio Linktree page right in your WordPress website. No additional plugins, and it's going to pull up the most recent blog posts that you create automatically. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And if you are a service-based witch, check out thefierywell.com for all your tech support needs. We cover ConvertKit, Integromat, WordPress, and more every month. Get Web Developer in your back pocket.